Hi, sociologists. It's great to check in with you on this beautiful Sunday. I hope that you're enjoying your day and getting out in some fresh air a little bit here and there if you can. I know it's a busy time of the semester. There's lots of stuff due, um, and I'm in the heat of it as well. Grading, grading, grading. Yay. But I just wanted to let you know that I'm finished with your socialization papers, so your grades are there. Feel free to check in with me about that. And you did yourself in contexts this week, or you'll have them into me by tonight, I guess at midnight. And so I'll look forward to reading those and getting getting a little bit more into learning a bit about you. So tomorrow you'll unlock the groups and organizations portion of this class, and you'll learn a little bit about group dynamics and kind of consider what it is that makes us do the things we do. Is it because we're individually, connected to what we believe in, or do group dynamics play a role in it? Some interesting stuff, I think. I think especially in a culture of individualism when we assume that everything we do independently. So thanks for all the hard work you've been putting in lately, and I'll see you on the forums, and thank you. Take care.